Hey, what's up guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're here to bring you a closer look at the upcoming Air Jordan 3 Retro Rust Pink. Before we show you the shoes, we just want to go over the basics. The official release date is May 28th, 2021, and the retail price is $190 US. It will release on the Nike Sneakers app at 10 a.m. Eastern via a draw, and the sizes available will be 3.5 men's or 5 women's, up to 10.5 men's or 12 women's. These will also release at other Jordan retailers such as Foot Locker, Finish Line, and sneaker boutiques worldwide. So while we first learned about the Jordan 3 Rust Pink release back in September of 2020, we actually didn't get a first look until January of 2021 when official images were surfaced. And once those photos hit the internet and social media, sneakerheads went nuts. And rightfully so, because the Air Jordan 3 still is one of the most popular sneakers on the market, even 30 plus years after its original release. Now, the reason why Rust Pink stands out so much is because it calls back to one of the most historic Air Jordan releases ever. Way back in December 2017, Jordan Brand helped celebrate Art Basel by releasing 2 exclusive Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG colorways. They dropped exclusively on a yacht with social status, and both versions sold out immediately. And again, this was December 2017. Air Jordan 1s were popular, but nowhere near as popular as they are right now. And currently, resale prices for the Rust Pink 1 is more than $5,000. So you can see why anytime Rust Pink name comes up, it just instantly catches our attention. And now, as you see on the Air Jordan 3, that same distinct, slightly muted pink appears once more on that full suede upper. It's matched with those crimson hints at the heel, the lace eyelets, the Jumpman on the tongue. And again, you see the elephant print, one of the most iconic details in sneaker history. You see that in that sail and rust pink combo on the toe box, as well as the heel. And one of our favorite details is that the outsole is slightly opaque. So again, it kind of gives off that creamy, icy look. And while the colorway blocking isn't very similar to the Rust Pink ones, it's really more about the name. That nickname Rust Pink will stand out forever and ever. And to be honest, they haven't really used it that much, and that's another reason why this Air Jordan 3 is going to be so popular, because of the fact that it is a women's release, and we know the fellas are looking for these too. There are going to be twice as many people looking for this sneaker release, and again, the biggest size is a women's 12, which is a men's 10.5, so you better believe that everyone is going to be looking for these. So anytime the Air Jordan 3 pops up, we always have to look at one specific detail on the shoe, and that would be the heel tab logo. Now, if you're not too aware, the Air Jordan 3 originally had a Nike Air logo on the heel. And in the 2000s, Jordan Brand decided to switch it up to the Jumpman Air. Now, most people don't seem to mind, but purists really like the Nike Air. And as you can tell here, the logo that they use is indeed the Jumpman Air, the more modern version. And it's not even the typical plastic debossed version. They actually embroidered it on to give it a bit more of that handcrafted lifestyle appeal. Additionally, the heel tab itself has this suede covering. And again, that's not very typical of the Air Jordan 3. So we hope that this video will help you see just why the Jordan 3 Rust Pink is so popular. Back when we got that first look in January, people went crazy. We guarantee you that it's going to sell out immediately when it officially drops on May 28th. And by the end of the year, it will be one of the more talked about sneakers. So thanks for checking out this quick look at the Jordan 3 Rust Pink. Of course, let us know in the comments what shoe you would like us to review next. Of course, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and we'll catch you in the next video.